We are a minor league baseball team that's affiliated with the Houston Astros. We've had the ballpark here. It's been here since 1931, Modern Women Park. We treat ourselves like we're in the entertainment business. We want everything operational every night because we know that every time somebody comes out to the ballpark for the first time, we want to make sure it's a magical and a memorable time for them. So the plan is for the 2017 season, we are going to be replacing all of our lights with high-efficient LED lighting, and it really is important for us. At the ballpark here, we're always trying to make improvements for our fans. You can have the greatest field in America, but if it's not lit for our night games, then obviously it's going to be an issue. I believe we'll be the very first team in our classification, which is low A, to have all LED lighting at the ballparks.
Yeah, the power load is massive for a stadium like this, and with limited resources, it helps us on repairs as well. Instead of having to change hundreds of light bulbs every season, we're hoping to get everything converted over to minimize that maintenance.
We really, rely on a lot of outside contractors. Thankfully, we've got some incredibly talented ones.
We've had a crew of about 6 guys out here for about a month straight working on new electrical leads, as well as landing all the final wiring to all the electrical cabinets for the amusement rides themselves.
So what our crew's doing currently is the rides actually came from Italy, so it's kind of unique. So we're actually providing step-down transformers to go to the Italian equipment, which is going to be stepped back up in voltage so that it powers the amusement ride. So it's really kind of a unique concept. We have to extend circuits from the existing electrical panels out to the equipment, and we're currently making those connections now. It's really a complex project because it's all being built up on a mezzanine as well, which adds a level of difficulty to the installation. The number one most common tool that electricians use is the lineman plier, and it's the go-to tool for every electrician. Diagonal cutters, of course the Klein screwdrivers. Those are the number one tools that we use.
We love our Klein 11-in-1 screwdriver. We can't go anywhere in this stadium without it. That solves a lot of our issues when we first get to a problem, and it helps us troubleshoot the problems quite a bit.
The digital multimeter, you need that to verify voltages, amperages, continuity, things like that. So the digital multimeter is a must-have tool. As a tradesman, you can tell a good tool in your hand, and from the Klein lineman pliers to the diagonal cutters to the screwdriver, when you grab that tool and you go to work with it, you can definitely tell the quality of the tool. And if I could leave one lasting impression with you is that as a professional, you buy a professional tool. And when you see a person with the Klein tools in your hand, you know that they know their trade, they know what they're doing, and that's somebody you want to work next to all day long. They got their stuff together.
Klein tools.
Powering America's passion.